Wow! Forest Ridge home with plenty of room to entertain for the holidays, on a quiet and peaceful street. Watch out, you'll fall in love with this spacious 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2-car garage home with over 2,300 total square feet. Well maintained with lots of natural light, this floor plan allows you to enjoy family and friends in a large vaulted living area, formal dining area and breakfast nook. There is also a generously sized flex space 10.5 by 28 with walk-in storage closest that could be used as an office, craft room or den. Rest to your heart's content with a master bedroom ensuite with tub shower combo plus 1 additional guest bedroom. Enjoy your favorite beverage surrounded by mature trees in the Florida room. Inside laundry for your convenience, washer and dryer included. Roof and gutters 2020. With its warm sense of community, and only moments away to shops, eateries, schools and medical centers, this home provides all the elements for relaxing, comfortable and easy care living. Call to schedule a showing today.